Chapter 18 and 19, How Hema was accepted and blessed. Stories of Mr. Sati and Mr. Deshmukh, encouraging the good thoughts, fruition of variety in Upathis, teaching, reading, slander, and remuneration of labor. In last chapter, Hema, how originally aspiring for a quick Brahma was treated by Baba. Now in this chapter, how described Hema himself was accepted and blessed by Baba. How Baba encouraged good thoughts, fruition in them, gives us teaching regarding self-improvement, slander, promotion of labor. Preliminary. It is well known fact that Sadguru looks first qualification of disciples, then the result suitable instruction with unsettling the minds at least the leads towards goal of self-realization. In this respect, some says that Sadguru teaches instruction not to develop others. They think the instruction become useless if they publish this view. Not correct. Sadguru was Monsoon Cloud. He pours down prudence, scatters widely his nectar like techniques. These we should enjoy some like our content, then serve to others with them. So this rule has been applied to not only teachers but Vishan gives the dreams to poet instance rishis composed celebrated Ram Rakshashotra which has been seen in dreams like a loving mother forcing a bitter wholesome lesson down children's sake of their health. Sai Baba imparted spiritual instructions. Devotee his mother was not to be accepted but kept open. The devotee who followed instructions got their objects. Sadgurus like Sai Baba open our eyes into show the divine beauties of self and fulfill the tender and devotion. When this is done, our desire of sense of reliance, twin fruits, Viveka and Vereka, comes to our hand and non-spiritual problems like all this we get when we contact the saints, so them secure the Lord who fills the desires of devotees come to avoid, removes the trouble sufferings, makes us happy. The progress devotion entirely depends on Sadguru, who is regarded as Lord himself. Therefore, we should be after Sadguru K stories will as well. So now we can main story. Mr. Sati. There was a gentleman named Mr. Sati who attended some publicity during the Crawford regime, which put on the Lord Ray, then Governor of Bombay. He suffered losses in trade. Other advisors gave him much trouble, made and rejected. Being restless, he thought of leaving home and going to school. Man does not generally think of God, but when difficulties come to overtaking, he turned praise for relief. If the evil actions come to an end, God arranged him with the saint who gives the proper instructions regarding the services that there is similar instant advertisement where so many people are flocking to get the Sai Baba darshan for getting peace of mind satisfaction loans. He liked the idea, came to Sri in 1917, seeing Baba form, he was like a eternal Brahma, self-filling, spotless, pure, he lost in restlessness and became calm composed. He thought that was the accumulation merits form about the holy feet of Baba, he was a man of strong will, at least once make Guru Jana. When he was reading his fondness, Baba gave him a vision that night. It was so that Baba with the Guru Chaitanya explaining the content necessary was sitting listening carefully. When he woke up from a dream, felt like very happy. He thought it was actually kind of Baba who awakens slow ignorance, make the taste of nectar of Guru Chaitra. Next day, in fact, Dikshit was he requested to consult Baba, reading the news whether week's reading sufficient or I should begin again. Kaka Dikshit, who suitably opportunity asked Baba, Devu, what did you suggest Mr. Satabai saying whether he could stop or continue the song? He is a simple devotee, his desire should be fulfilled with his and explained to him, should not blessed. Then Baba said, you make one more sata of this book. If the work be studied carefully, devotee will become pure and be benefited. Lord will be pleased and rescue him from all bondage and mundane substance. At this time, Hayambana was present there. He was sampling Baba lesser. When he heard Baba words, he thought in his mind, follows what Mr. Sakti read for a week only got reward. I am reading for 40 years, no results. His 7 day stays here begins total 7 days stays. 1910 to 1917 goes for nothing like a chalkboard. I am waiting for a miracle to pour its nectar on me and bless me with his instruction. No sooner did he start across the Baba. Papa knew it with the experience of this Papa read, understood all the thoughts of his suppressed the evil thought and grace. Reading the hand of the man asked him to get up. Get 15 rupees as Dakshana, sit and chant with the for a while return. Must sit down the Baba, so he executed order. Who could be disobey Baba order? Hemapadan immediately left the masjid and came to some house. He had just bathed, wearing the dhota. He came out, asked Hemapadan, how does he know? It seems you have come from masjid. Why do you look restless? Why are you alone? Please sit and rest. While shall I do? Shukman return. In meanwhile, you can please take pain. Let us we have a pleasant chant. After saying his event inside him with a settle on from brother. He saw on the window on Marathi written at Baba. This commentary was saying take not the on the 11th comments. Bigger Sanskrit of Bhagavad at the instructions or recommendation of Sai Baba Master. This was to read daily in Sirdi. Bhagavad Gita with his Marathi convention. The dialogue between Krishna and his friends of devotee Arjuna and Nath Bhagavad. Also, acknowledged the big was Bharadwajara when devotees came to Baba asked him certain questions. He sometimes suggested asked him to go and listen to readings about which the main treatise about Dharma. When the devotees were listening, God follows the assistant replies to the question. Empathy used to read portion of both not Bhagavad. That day he did not completely take portion of his reading, but he left with unfinished note to accompany certain devotees who were going to masjid. When he took up the book of Samna, it was casually open, he found it surprise. That unfinished portion turned up. He thought the Baba sent him a kind enabling to complete his daily reading, so he went to thorough unfinished portion completed it. As soon he was over, Shama after the worship came out and following the conversation place with him. Hey, Padan, I have come with a message from Baba. He has asked me 15. So Dakshina from me also sit with you while a pleasant chitta with the drum as a view. Shama with a surprise. I have known take my 15 namaskars. Lay off a piece of Dakshina Baba. I am all right to your next episode. Now let us sit chitta. Let us some stories of Leela Sahib Baba which will destroy us in Shama. Then sit here forever. Wonderful is the sport of this god. You know it already. I am a blessed Rishabh. While I landed a citizen, you have been some more lessons coming here. How did it describe before you? We'll take all this little nurture one week pound now. While I go in, dress myself, and come out. In few minutes, Shama come out straight at the hammer. He said the Leela of a sport untrustable. In Christabel, so there is no end to Leela. Who can see him? He plays for his Leela, still he is outside. What we need to listen? Why does Baba himself tell stories? Why does he spend learn one like you to fool me? It's where unconventional I can say that they are not human with the presence of murder. I now remove a story which shall I return to? I know personally as a devotee to not return, so it's Baba immediate response. Sometimes Baba put the devotee so test and then opposition instructions. Excuse me. As soon as Hemant heard the word Upadesh, the flash of light crossing his mind, he at once remembered the story of Mr. Satyaguru chapter reading those Baba might have sent to him son. In order to give peace and restless mind, however, he has been called to student began to listen to Shama's story. They showed how kind of Baba to his devotee, Hemant began to feel sort of joy hearing it. The Shama began to tell following story. Mr. Radhabai Deshmukh. There was an old woman named Radhabai. She was the mother of one Karan Deshmukh. Carrying the Baba frame, she came to study with the people of Shama. She took Baba Darshan was much beloved Baba and resolved in her mind that she accepted Baba or Guru takes some Upadis from him. She knew nothing else. She determined fast and she'll turn to that. So as long Baba did not accept her, she gave Upanishad mantras. She stayed in the lodging, left her taking food for 3 days. It was planned in order to old man. And under the Baba on behalf, I said, Deva, what is had you dragged many songs here? You know the old decisions of it depends on entirely. She has also to death. We don't actually instruct her. If anything happens, people blame you. Say Sai Baba instruction consider Srimad honored it. So take some mercy on her, bless her, instruct her. On seeing the determination, Baba sent her and changed the tone of dressing his Oh mother, why are you subjecting yourself to unnecessary torture and hastening is a death? You are really my mother and I am your child. Take a pity on me and go. I tell you my own story which I will listen carefully. I will do you good. I had a guru, he was a great saint, Mon Maswa. He served him long. He would stay not bore any mantras in 2 years. I had clean desire never to leave him but stay with him so him at any cost to receive some instructions from him, but he had his own way. He first got my head shaved and asked me to piece of Dakshina. I gave the same at once. If you say that my guru was perfect, why should take money and how should I call the sellers? I replied plainly that I never could have answered what he had to do with this thing. 2% from faith, persons and gave two piece of things. He was pleased. I restored to my group for toilets. He brought me up. There was no death of food and clothing. He was full of love of me. He was love of him. How can I describe? He loved me most than his guru like him. When I looked at him, he seemed like a deep meditation. We both felt blessed. Night and day I gazed at him with no thoughts and hunger thirst. Without him, I feel restless. I had no option to meditate. And I get when my gurus returned, he was told to me my mind was always fixed on them. This is one piece of Dakshina. I waited patiently and very long. My guru served him. The Saburi will be first season meditation. Saburi manipulation removes all sins and affliction, get rid of problems in various ways, and casts of fear ultimately gives us success. And Saburi were twin sisters, loving each other very intimately. My guru never expected any other thing from me. He never neglected me, but protected me all times. I lived with him, sometimes away from him. I still never felt the absence of his love. He always protected me with a glance, just as a tortoise feels a young once. They were very young of my other side. I love him. Oh, mother, your guru. My guru never taught me any mantra. How shall I blow no mantra on yours? Just remember, a guru taught us do not try to get mantra for this community. Make me the sole object without subversion. No doubt, attain Pranta. Look at me wholeheartedly and don't look at it simply sitting mercifully. I speak the truth, nothing but the truth. No sadhanas provision in six shastra are necessary. Have faith and confidence in your Guru. Believe fully the Guru, the sole actor of real. Blessed he is known with the greatness of his Guru, Vincent Hari, Hara Brahma incarnate. Instructed this way, the old lady was convinced. She bowed. She gave up her first. Hearing the story, calculate until this marked the significance of Lord Hamvadas Morbilis. After seeing his wonderful Leelas of Baba, he has moved from the top to two. Because in joy, his throat was choked. He was not able to utter single Shama on seeing this condition. Asked, what is the matter? Why are you silent? How many innumerable Leelas of Baba shall I describe? Just at the time I built the masjid, proclamation known worshipping Aati celebration began. Therefore, Shama and everyone hurried to masjid. Started worship. Once were in the masjid when men were standing in the blue open curtain, they were loudly singing Aarti chorus conventional. Shama entered pulling the hem with him. He sat right with him on Baba. On seeing the Baba, asking him to give Dakshina, he replied, Shama gave Namaskar in 5 rupees. Baba said, alright, now let me know whether you know how to chit chat. So tell me what you talk about. Not minding the sounds of bell, the drama. So him was eager to tell us what they are talking about. Baba so nice to hear, so he left the blaster and learned forward. Come and said all the talk about will be pleasant. That special story of old lady was wonderful on hearing under the story. He was really blessed. He really blessed him. Baba then said, wonderful the story. How you are blessed. I like to know everything details. So tell me about it. Then I am gonna little story, which made me a last impression. It's not paying the Baba much more asking. Did the story strike you that catch significant? Replied, yes, Baba, restlessly. My mind vanished. I got true peace and rest. I came to know the true path. Then Baba spoke as follow. My mother is quite in it. Remember, well, this is a story. It will be graceful to get knowledge, realization of self. Dhyana meditation is necessary. If we practice continuously with thoughts, will be pacified. Being quite desireless, you should meditate on the Lord who is the courageous. When mind is concerned, the goal will be achieved. Meditate always on formal nature, which is knowledge incarnate concentration. If you cannot do this, meditate form to if you see the area as you know, so which is constant point distance between the meditator mediated an act of meditation they are meditated upon, which will be lost. Meditator will be with conscious merge with Brahma. The mother tortoise on the bank of river, her young ones on the other side. She thinks she gives either milk or wampum. Her mere glance gives nutrition. The young ones do nothing but remember their mother. The tortoise glance is the young ones shown for of nectar, the only source of happiness similar to relations between Guru and disciple. And Baba uttered this last word, the poor Sati sound stopped, all cried out in his victory to be supplied. Saw in Maharaj who section on knowledge meal. Dear readers, let us imagine for the time standing amongst the crowd. Let us join the Janakar. After Aatish Nivasmur, Prasad was distributed by the social was saluting Baba gave into hand sugar candy. Baba boosted his quantity. If you take the story of water novel state, will be sweet and sugar candy will desert will be ham and board before and board if protect me always. Baba replied, hear the story, meditate as needed. There will be remember and meditate the Lord who will manifest to dear readers with sugar candy then we get the pressure of sugar candy and after of the story. Let us drink it or meditate as strong. Happy Baba Krisaman. Towards the end of 19th chapter, Ham Padan deal with some other matters which given below. Baba advice regarding our behavior. The following words of Baba are generally invaluable. If they kept in mind, acted upon, they will be good to you unless there is some relationship connection or with you. So if any other man or creatures comes to you, do not decide to do away, but receive them well, treat them with due respect. Sri Hari will certainly plead. If you give water to thirsty, bird to the hungry, clothes to the naked, your vandal strangers. If anybody wants to give from you, you are not inclined to. Do not give, not bark at him like a dog. Latin is fixed on thousands. Against you do not assume it. If you always told us such thing, it's certainly happy. Let the world rhapsody remind you where you are standing or strolling in place. Look on calmly the shores of things. Demolish all differences separates you from him. The road of a meeting will be cleared. Sense of differences and though is the barrier kept your visible master unless it's destroyed the state of not possible. Allah Malik, the God is a sole proprietor, nobody is proprietor. This method of work is extraordinary when showing he has well done. He will be shown in the way satisfied or dishonored with someone. We have to compare the letters love, so each other be happy, who and supreme goal immortal happy, all other morally exist, live long, so long they breathe, encouraging the good thoughts of free tradition. It is interesting to note that Sai Baba encouraged good thoughts. He had to surrender himself to complete to him with love and devotion. He helps you on it so many times. Some science said when you get a good thought immediately after awaking from sleep, you will delirious and after doing the you will enter control. Your mind will attain calmness. I am wanted to rise on Wednesday night. Going to before to tomorrow is Thursday in the place today. The holy person chanting Ram Nama. He slept next and got an over without any effort around as was much pleased. Then he after finishing the morning duty went to see Baba with Lord. So when he left Desigara, was just passing the Bhuti Vada. He heard a beautiful song that was in some masjid before. The song was Kripan Pajo, Mary Bai, etc. Which says that God glorifying form of Guru grace which opened his vision, meeting Sri Rama in and out, sleep, dream, waking, state everywhere. There were so many songs. Why was song particularly chosen our devotee of Baba? Is this not good coincidence at Baba? With the determination of sing and Sri Rama during the day, all saints agrees only and stress upon the fusion autonomous in fulfilling abusing the bhakta and protecting the saints of all calamities. Variety Upadesh slander condemned. Sai Baba required no special place nor any special timing for giving instruction. Whenever he independently gave them freely. Once it has happened, the Bhakta of Baba relieved other began peoples before other people on living as its merits, grace, with all false brothers spoke sorrowfully. At the haters and discuss generally we see the people tendencies scandalous other unless that brings hatred over saints sees candles in other light they see there is no cleansing when that means of water soap by scandals moment moderation. He removes the dirt of other persons so that is insufficient protocols for his thank. Sababa had his own method of correcting some he knew by some smothering. Though he has met in known of Baba pointed at me like that eating the fish near the friends said to him, behold, what relation during them, your conduct is similar. You go ruling your heart after perform the many deeds of merit you are born man, acted like this. Should he help you? They nearless to state the Bhakta took the lesson in his heart and went away. In this way, Baba and giving instructions whenever necessary. If this born minds are not among sexual relation or no, this proverb says there is a by me, Hari, he will feed me on my coat. This probably true aspect clothing, but if an interesting such squats, he will be ruined. One has to be exert himself that much attaining self-realization, the more endeavors better for him. Baba said he was omnipresent, occupying the land, air, country, and he was not limited to remove the misunderstanding those who thought Baba was only body to accompany his incarnation in the form of any duty mediated day. Render experienced compelled union with thickness, sweetness, sugar, waste, sees, eyes, in this nature, who wants to get rid of cycle of birth and that he should reduce. With his mind calm composed, he should always engage himself to do his duty, surrender himself for him. He did not afraid of anything. Who trusts entirely, he was expounds his leelas, it is not a thing as self-realization. Baba asked many listening to surrender him, but those wanted to know who are they. He advised Manoj to someone, he advised remembering the God names and hearing his leelas to someone worship at his feet, the other reading, studying, Janashruti and the other scriptures. Some he made sit near his feet, some he sent to Kunda's temple, and some advised to reception of Vishnu and some listening. He thought there were no limited restrictions, so he gave them in person to others by Ocean's dreams. Directed drink. He appeared in the dream, sat and listed, pressed it, left in, gave promise to not use liquor anymore. He explained some mantras like Guru Goma dreams, some devotees are in health yoga, Hatha yoga is something sit quietly, it is impossible to describe in normal conditions. He set an example by his action given below. Remuneration of labor. One day at noon, Baba came to Radha Krishna, my house, and bring me a ladder. Some men bring set it against the house. He climbed the roof of Ramna, passed the roof of Radha Krishna, my son, got down from their corner. What object Baba had and could know. Radha was in that time. Shivering Malya, it was to drive off the fever. He may have gone through immediately after getting Baba paid rupees 2,000 soon ladder. Somebody asked her why he paid so much of this. He replied that nobody could take the labors of others in vain. The auction should be paid. It is promptly and liberally.